Is there something you don't tell people about your hair? I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that it has a life of its own. It just does what it wants to do.
Yeah.
I mean, I want this show to be different than the other shows, you know? I want this show to be about teaching Jimmy, you know? Maybe
I appreciate it, and I just want to be able to push out meat.
DC, but they spell it wrong. It's C-A-T-O. I'm K-A-T-O. I'm my own think tank.
Listen.
How are you?
First off, I'm not Jeff.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
I'm eating.
Did you know that spirit is 12 inches of your spine, and it goes back and forth and is replicated, and it's in your spine.
How are you?
First off, I'm not Jeff. 1800s, just nice going, way to go, and welcome.
Thank you.
You know, knock you around a little bit and see if you can stand on those feet that have been great. Well, I just have some preliminary questions for my files, if that's okay.
Yeah, please ask them.
It's going, I'm not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think that's the realization.
Right, yeah.
That was before you got the late show.
Yo, look who I'm with.
No, it's not the fuck you mean.
Do you see Young Fly?
Yes, sir.
Yo.
That's when it was the Jimmy Fallon show then.
If you look like a divine spirit, you're a divine goddess.
How come you didn't come on again, man?
Transdisciplinary and multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
You were a prime antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. Like a cross-disciplinary
If you look like a divine spirit, you're a divine goddess. Did you know that spirit is 12 inches of your spine?
So.
Out there, I just kind of lap it up like.
Antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
In 9 years.
It's been 9 years.
In almost a choreographed.
There's because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like.
Just kind of somebody who does that sort of thing.
Just look like, you know, like a fresh penny.
It was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days.
The Ponzi sauce.
I find them too mushu.
Lap it up like just kind of.
Have to do with the fourth.
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So you are. I heard that you are also.
You got your, what are you eating there?
Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And you're I'm seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
In love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
Yeah. Did you know that Cato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
I mean, don't tell me. I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, this
World-renowned, best-selling author.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? Been in over 150 movies.
In for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like a million.
I'm the one interviewing you. I'm
down. No.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time.
Tell me about the
So you have
Well, I know something. I mean, I
we
know
have
you're
inferential, we have subjective.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
you were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism.
And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
Have objective and the way they go about evidence is sort of circular.
good, should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your, what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that.
Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Transdisciplinary and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
To have Pitbull would be a Pitsu.
How do they know which name goes first?
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.